Oh, look at you two!
Yes, you can.
Okay, ta-da! Andrew. Ice cream! Oh, it's our first super hot day. Well, it's our first super hot day of the year, and the pups, of course, want to be outside. Which is fine, huh, baby girl? You like to be outside. Look at this. Halloween and Comic-Con in May.
You could just
get like the flesh-colored leggings.
Can you see me?
Yes, you can.
Okay. Ta-da!
It's Princess Zelda
Twilight.
from the Twilight
Princess.
Princess.
This is my Comic-Con and Halloween. And I got a little fairy girl. Come here. She's looking at me like I'm crazy. Look at this fancy new cooling mat. Oh, look at you two. Here you go. What do you think? 13. Liberty Fit. You can tell it's gonna be a good week at Liberty Fit because we got this, we got that. Ice cream! What are you doing? I'm taking your bubbles very seriously. Do you want to be in the pictures? You're funny. Andrew. You're silly. Andrew loves being the bubble guy. It's his favorite job. He loves being the bubble guy. I wish you had it on Saturday. Okay, our rug is here. You might want to put that on the floor before you do that. It's probably like a pressurized thing.
It's definitely not.
We're gonna see.
Is it too dark?
It's pretty. No. Oh, it's just folded. That was not smart. Oh my god, why would you do it that way?
Hey, wait.
A whole new world. What? Oh, jeez.
Nut.
Look at how cute! To the side?
We have, like, at our core, all of our
Say,
huge
oh, hello.
problems are miscommunication.
Oh, hello. Week 13, and we got fanny packs.
Mine does say photo crew. It was supposed to just say Liberty Fit. I was going to put longest member, but our coach decided to do something different and surprise us. Some of us got better bags than others.
Here's my bag. Mine
Boom,
had
she's the
cheesecake in it.
photo. What did yours have?
Mine had a cheesecake gift card.
What did mine not have in it?
Not a cheesecake gift card.
Exactly. I'm a little salty.
Salty enough to not go get cheesecake.
No, I'm still gonna reap the benefits.
Oh, we're gonna get cheesecake, bro.
There is Lucas.
Lucas is coming. Okay, it's an early Father's Day present.
An early Father's Day present. Is it a brand new, slightly used 1996 Toyota Camry?
Yeah.
It's the Model 2. It's shaped like one.
Think that when you succeed against all odds,
It's a Model T.
Yeah, it's the 1977 one. So it's vintage. Like it?
Wow.
was it lucky when Rocky beat Mr. T?
The air show is going on. Look at this just tiny, unbothered girl.
Mommy's hiding.
You are funny, little girl.